Dear learners, today we are going to learn how to talk about eating in English. Let's get started. When you want to ask anyone about having breakfast, you can say, "What did you have for breakfast?" What did you have for breakfast? That means, what did you eat for breakfast? Would you like to have lunch today? It's a very polite request. It means, do you want to eat lunch today? If you have already had your lunch and you are not feeling hungry now, then you can say, well, I'm still digesting my lunch. Well, I'm still digesting my lunch. When you want to offer someone have a cup of coffee, you can say, how about a cup of coffee? How about a cup of coffee? If you like coffee, you can say, I always enjoy coffee after work. I always enjoy coffee after work. It's a very polite offer. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Would you prefer tea or coffee? If you need salt, but it's not near to you, you can say, pass the salt please. Pass the salt please. If any dish is tasty, it can be said, it's very nice or delicious. It's very nice or it's very delicious, or you can say it's very tasty. If you don't know the name of the dish, you can ask, what's the name of this dish? What's the name of this dish? It's apple pie. When you want to give thanks for dinner, easily you can say, thank you for a delicious dinner. I'm feeling hungry. It's said when you want to eat something. I am feeling hungry. What would you like to eat? It's also a polite offer. That means, what would you want to eat? Hurry up, food has been served. Hurry up, food has been served. Have you had your breakfast? That means, have you taken your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast? If you want that someone will make breakfast for you, then you can say, make the breakfast. Make the breakfast. Let's have breakfast together. Let's have breakfast together. You hardly had anything. That means you didn't eat anything. You hardly had anything. That means you didn't eat anything. Have a little more. It can be said when you want to offer someone more food. Have a little more. Or you can say, please have some more. Please have some more. If a person doesn't eat meat or fish, you can ask, are you vegetarian? I will dine out today. It means I will go to a restaurant to eat my evening meal. If you do not like to eat rice, you can say, I am not fond of rice. There is less salt in the vegetable curry. There is less salt in the vegetable curry. That means you need salt. When you would like to ask about dish for today, you can say, what is the menu for today? What is the menu for today? I am still thirsty. You have taken water, but you need to drink water more. In that case, you can say, I am still thirsty. They have invited me to lunch. They have invited me to lunch. It's an invitation for lunch. Please have dinner with me. That means please eat dinner with me. Didn't you eat before we left? Didn't you eat before we left? That's all for today. If you liked today's lesson, please like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe.